Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk to you about this new browser, crypto browser, best browsers for cryptocurrency users. In this browser you can earn Bitcoin, you can earn Binance coin and Tron coin. You can win from 10 to 500 Trons and 0.1 to 5 Binance in current airdrop. Join now by downloading. So you can download it for Mac and you can also download it for Windows. So what is it about this crypto browser? Crypto browser has a number of features that combine very well with the needs of users. It's light, it's fast web browsing, and two, it has a crypto advertising. You can create ad blocks to promote your project price of only $0.5 per click. Thirdly, it has a favorite coin list. You can add coins to favorite to make your own coin list. And then analytics, that's a fourth feature, analyzes cryptocurrency asset easier only with crypto browser. And then it also has airdrops. Use the browser and get popular coins for free. New airdrops every week. You need to join before you can see those airdrops. And then it has an affiliate program. Receive 10% from every referral action. Whoever you refer, whatever they do or whatever they earn, you will also earn a 10%. Now let's continue. What is crypto browser all about? Crypto browser is built on the basis of the Chromium open source browser code. We have also implemented an ad network inside the browser to advertise any crypto project and for earners for ordinary users. Advertise price only is for $0.05 per click. At the moment, the browser's functionality is very small, but we fix problems every day and introduce innovations in order to make it convenient to use the browser. We are doing everything to make our project successful and widespread. In order to distribute the browser between people, we have made a very good and profitable affiliate program currently available for download versions for Windows and Macintosh. Join and witness the history of the project. So this is a picture of latest payments, yeah, that the browser has paid people, and these are their addresses, and simply because they are using the browser to explore. It's not an investment platform. So for advertisers, they can distribute information about your project. You need to make 4 simple steps if you want to advertise your project. So the first thing you need to do is to register, pass a simple registration, and then you install the software that you download and install browser for your operating system, and then you make a deposit, top up with available cryptocurrencies, and then you start advertising, creating your ad, creating and starting an ad. So these are the number of people who have joined this browser while using this browser. That's 14,858. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below so you can download the app and we start using the browser. I will provide you with my link to download the browser. Once you download the browser, you will need to create your account. Once you create your account, you enter your email, you enter a password, enter the password again, and then click on register. Once you register, they will send you an email for you to verify the email. So let me quickly go and verify the email and come back to you. Email confirmed. So now you can also stake, and staking Binance coins, staking now, and you get 15% monthly reward. So it all depends. If you are staking for 1 month, you will have a 5%. If you are staking for 3 months, you will have 7% reward. If you are staking for 6 months, you will have a 10% reward. And if you're taking for 9 months, you will have a 15% rewards. Okay, so this is just the registration page or your profile page. And now let's see the browser. After downloading the browser, you will need to install it. It's a download for Linux is coming soon. Let's see the browser itself. This is the browser. Once you open the browser, the first thing you see here is home. We have popular coins. These are popular coins. You can take a look at it. And then we have here favorite coins. As if you have a favorite coin, you can always add it to your favorite list. And then top gainers. You can see top gainers, coins that are growing within the past 24 hours. You can see them here and their percentage growth. IO coin has grown 2,278% within the past 7 days. And then next is this one, next is this, you can see. Then we have here top losers. You can have a look. And then we have new coins. These are new coins. So if you're also looking to invest in cryptocurrency or in new coins, these are coins in which you can invest because they are new and growing. You can see the percentages, growth and losses. And then here you have a picture of all the coins, and they are of different pages. You can just click on page 2 to see the coins on page 2. You will look at it. Some of these coins, I bet you never knew about them, but you can see them here in the crypto browser. What interests me here is these airdrops. For airdrops, what you need to do is sign in for you to see your airdrops. So you use your email address and the password, and then you click on sign in. I don't have any ads, that's why you see a 0 ad. So if I want to advertise, I can now create a new ad. But I make sure we invest some money for that. So yeah, let me go back to airdrops. Good. So these are airdrops here. I think for airdrops, this is usually what you earn. So whatever you earn, you can click to send it to your Tron wallet. Yeah, write your Tron wallet here and then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so these are the cryptocurrencies you can earn here. Tron, Binance, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So at this point, I still have 0. So with the browser, you can browse normally like with any other browser. Let me search for something. What is Bitcoin? You can see the information here. What is Bitcoin and how does it work? You can open even your email. They have an address bar. Let me see. I want to open my Gmail. Type gmail.com. So you can open your Facebook. You can browse. Let me see. YouTube. So you can basically open any website here. And you can also sign. If you sign in your Gmail, you can open virtually anything in Google. Virtually anything about Google. Okay, so once you start browsing, you'll be making coins or making money that you can withdraw. So if you want to earn some Trons, you want to earn Binance, you can download the browser and start using it. So whatever amount of money you make, you will see it here under airdrops and you can withdraw. So by just opening those sites, this is what I have earned in Binance and Tron. So nothing here yet for BTC. I will still find out how you can earn this BTC and Ethereum. Beside other browsers that you use, I made a video about Brave browser. You can use Brave browser. You can use CryptoTab. Yeah, so those are the 3 browsers I recommend. I will also put a link in the description about those browsers. You can also get them and use them on your computer. Brave and CryptoTab, they all have app which you can also download and use on your phone. And I don't know if this one already has an app. So I think this balance here is based on downloading the app. Whatever it is, this is my balance 0.01 and this is a value in dollars. So I have 10 Trons. I can send that to my Tron wallet and send this one to my Binance wallet, but I will keep it there for it to grow as much so I can withdraw in bulk. If not, if I have any new updates, I'm going to make a video about that and for you to know more. And if you have any questions, please leave them at the comment section below. If you like this video and you find value in it, subscribe to this channel and like the video, turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know anytime I upload a new video. If not, thank you so much for watching this video and I will be seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to use the link in the description below to sign up, to download the app and to download the browser and start using